Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Learning. Is your Excel data messy with unwanted spaces? Today I will show you how to clean up your data using the trim function in Excel. So stick around till the end. Let's get started. The trim function in Excel is designed to remove all extra spaces from text, leaving only single spaces between words. It's especially useful when you are working with imported data or copying data from external sources, where unwanted spaces creep in. Let's take an example. Here in column A, we have a list of Hollywood movies with inconsistent spaces. First, insert a new column next to the first column. Select the cell B2, type equal sign, trim, double-click the trim function. Now, you just need to specify the cell or text you want to clean. Here I will select the cell A2, close the formula and press enter. Now, notice the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell. This is called the fill handle. Hover your mouse over it, and you will see a black plus sign. Click on it and drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to the entire column. Alternatively, double-click the fill handle and Excel will automatically fill the cells down the column as far as there is data in column A. As you can see, all the necessary spaces are gone. But there's one limitation. The trim function only removes regular spaces, not non-breaking spaces often found in web data. Here's an example of data with non-breaking spaces. While these spaces look normal, they are actually different from regular spaces and can cause issues. To handle this, you can use trim with the substitute function. First type trim function, then substitute. Select the cell, add a comma. Type character 160, quotation marks, close the formula. Here, character 160 represents a non-breaking spaces character, often found in data copied from website or PDFs. Now press enter. This replaces non-breaking spaces with normal spaces before trim cleans up the text. And that's how you can use the trim function to clean up your data like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick Excel tips. See you in the next video. Thank you.